Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your social accounts from Wise. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Wise application at very first, and after opening the Wise application, simply open the application or unlock it. And after unlocking, simply tap to your profile picture and go to this profile page. Now after coming into this section, you just simply have to select settings. And after going into the settings, you will get the option called privacy and security. Simply select privacy and security, and into this section you will get to see all of the security informations about you. Now in order to remove or disconnect a social account such as Facebook or Google, you will get the option to connect an email or remove that account if you have opened the account by Google. But I opened my accounts with email, so I don't have any option to remove social accounts. But if you have, you can directly do that from this section. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.